Aloha and welcome to the final chapter of our Hawaii tour. Today we discover the hidden gems and lasting spirit of these islands. Beyond the famous trails lie secret wonders, like the secluded waterfalls tucked deep within the ancient valleys of Molokai. In these native forests, you'll encounter rare flora and fauna that exist nowhere else, a testament to Hawaii's unique ecology. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of our new uploads. We honor the cultural heritage, walking through sacred sites that whisper stories of the ancient navigators who came before us. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The beauty of Hawaii is the spirit of aloha, a connection to the land and to each other that stays with you. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of our new uploads.